A very good evening to Dr. Zaliza. I am Divya Ragini. So I'm going to explain about the JD Mass Commerce Sundar Berhad entitled Going Beyond Our Shores. The previous forum was fully inspired by the speaker Dato Bruce Lim Aung Chong, who is the director of JD.com. He had wisely used the opportunity, which is the technology versus serving to the retail market. The speaker had highlighted three main issues regarding to the JD.com. The first issue is e-commerce had gone up tremendously all over the world. So it opened up past opportunities for many their brands, merchants as well. For an example, Dato Bruce had become formerly the share person to the productivity access, the retail at e-commerce. Since 2017, one thing about the retail market is mostly held by small and medium enterprises, so they also will face day-to-day issues such as rental, GST, payroll, SST, and so on. Moreover, most retailers were unprepared by COVID-19 and they did not have choices to overcome the complicated problems. Before the COVID-19, they had six-month adoption or 1 year adoption, but for now they have to survive no matter how. The great things can seen in this JD.com can able to tribute, sustain and transform themselves quickly and early. Furthermore, the traditional retailers also manage to generate some of the cash flow for their survivals. He also mentioned that purchasing at JD.com in China is the fastest delivery service compared to other companies like Tesco and etc. It shows that a lot of opportunities still available. JD.com is the only one e-commerce company globally for their scale that does not nationwide logistics in-house. The good delivered by uniform employees, autonomous delivery vehicles undergoing widespread trial. The retail as a service strategy empowers our partners also. How they are different from others explain. So in short, JD business model makes a lot of sense to me from the standpoint having same day delivery, better customer service and easy returns are very attractive in market where the fraud and trust are enormous issues. JD.com also choose to develop in-house logistics and take on inventory risks, which allow JD.com to have fast delivery times and authentic products, thus providing customers with a better experience. With all these assets plus partnerships and the increasing middle class in China endorsing JD.com, the company has the capability to challenge Alibaba, if not to the outperform it. As the global retail market, JD.com has the publicity stated it's international to challenges Amazon's too. That's all for now. Thank you.